Hey guys, Glen Online. How are you? Today is the top 3 ways to make recurring money online in 2020. These are what I feel are the best way to make recurring money. Now, can you make some instant cash on these? Yes, there is one of them you can make pretty much instant cash. You will be paid either 2 weeks, 10 days, 2 weeks, maybe 30 days from today, but you could start generating income immediately. Now, if you want more videos on how to make money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out some of my other videos that I'm doing. And let's get into it. So don't forget to subscribe. Number one, basically there's a lot of ways to make money online. There's a ton of ways actually. There's you could have all these different things. But what I like to do especially when you're starting out, is because you don't want the headache of a help desk or customer service or any of that kind of stuff, right? Like you don't want to deal with having a product, making your own product, and then dealing with customers, chargebacks, credit card processing, all that stuff. I mean, maybe you do. Maybe you're already in a business. And you're like, man, that's not a big deal. Then you could take it. You could take what I'm talking about to the next level. But most people that are getting started, they don't want to deal with that stuff at all. And I recommend don't leave it to someone else. There's a ton of money to be made as simply an affiliate. And what an affiliate does is you basically sell someone else's product for a commission. That's all it is. Simple. You generally you're provided a link, and that link links to a product that is tagged with your information. So whether you're an Amazon affiliate, you're a Walmart affiliate, you're a Best Buy affiliate, you're Avantgate, whatever. There's hundreds and hundreds of affiliate programs out there. Pretty much anything online has an affiliate program attached to it. Do they all pay well? No, but they all pay differently. And depending on your niche, there might be one that doesn't pay that well, but because you're creating so much content that product fits your target, it'd be a great one to be basically an affiliate for. Here's a great example. Say you are in direct sales and you do a ton of social media marketing where you're always creating memes you're taking pictures and you're adding text and you're doing this, right? Like a lot of people use something called Canva, right? Now Canva has a really great affiliate program, and you can be part of it because Canva also has they have a free level and they have a paid level. So if you're creating all these memes for your team, or you're creating stuff and people are always seeing your memes going, wow, how do you do that? Well, it'd be really easy to simply go, hey, here's my tutorial on how to make crazy kick-ass memes with Canva, right? So then you would do a tutorial on how you do it. And then inside that tutorial, you'd recommend like saying, yes, there's a free version, which you can do a ton with, but what you can do with the paid version is so much better. And then you would promote that just on the side. Once you create that one sort of promotion for it, you don't have to really go back and create it. Like you'd create a blog post for it, maybe you'd make a video on YouTube for it, and then you would let it just simmer, right? When people ask you about, hey, I love all your memes, like how do you do it? You just go, oh, check out the video I did on it. That's it. So that would be something where you would easily be able to promote it. So the first, and this is what I'm going to get into. So the number one thing I think to do is sell subscription software as a service. Now, what does that talk about? Well, Canva's a great example. Adobe Photoshop, Clickfunnels is a great one. It's a software that people use, right? And these all have great affiliate programs. Another one is web hosting, domain selling, right? Well, domain's not really recurring, but hosting definitely is. So these are tools that people use online. Let's see, webinar software. People need to do webinars all the time. Video hosting, the more and more videos that we're doing and stuff like that, people want to start hosting off YouTube because I don't know if you've noticed this, when you take a YouTube video and you put it on your website, one, it can be good to get traffic back to your YouTube channel. It can be really bad if they put an ad in it and people that are watching it hit that ad and go off it. So depending on what your video is that you're putting into a blog post or placing somewhere, you might want to not have you want to have an ad-free version. So there's lots of companies now that are coming out with HD hosting, all that kind of stuff. Another great one is something called an autoresponder, and that's, again, I always say It's not like, sorry, I'm out of the office right now. No, it's a standalone software. It's like, so you would have your Gmail, and that's your Gmail, right? But you would have something. I use a program called Aweber. I also use another one called SendShark. These are two different autoresponders that I use, and what they do is they I can set up campaigns of emails, right? Like I have one campaign that's 40 emails long that people get for the next 2 months, almost 2 months. It goes out over 2 months. They will opt in and they'll get an email from me every day or every 2 days, and it's 40 emails long. And what that does is it educates them, it gives them content, it also gives them things to buy. That's an autoresponder. So once people opt in, they put their email in, they're going to start getting these generated emails for me, and that's what an autoresponder. And that's a great thing to sell, especially if you're on a team or something and you're saying, hey, we have these great landing pages, go get a ClickFunnels account, and by the way, get this autoresponder account and marry the two, and now you're getting a recurring residual income from both of those products, right? So that's number one, selling software as a service. Number two, simple, install AdSense on your blog or on your YouTube. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't want anything on my page. You could, guys, today you can do it where you can just have one little spot for it, or it integrates so well as you can keep creating content, right? Because the game is you're never going to stop creating content. You're going to be building up your ad revenue. It may not be a lot of money at first, but if your blog really takes off or your YouTube channel really takes off, it can be substantial income having that AdSense on your blog or your YouTube channel, right? Like those are the two main places for it. That's a great recurring revenue, and it's so passive because it's really just all you're doing. It's a byproduct of writing good content and getting people to your website. Boom, you're getting paid for advertising to those people. So that's another great one. And number three is, and this is my favorite, is selling high ticket subscription training programs. And I mean training programs where I deal in the make money online business, but you could do anything. You could have a dog training a program, or you could have any kind of training. But I recommend people are looking on self-improvement, marketing, how to basically work the internet to become a money making entity for them. So it's the make money online kind of niche. Why do I love this? Because here's what happens. They deliver so much value. When you find the right programs, they deliver so much value that people are like, yes, this is what I want to be doing. They get excited about it. And they all offer a monthly subscription to either a marketing club where they're going to have access to free webinars, free Q&A, Facebook dailies or weeklies or 3 times a week or whatever it is, all these kind of things. And this is why people pay a subscription to belong to it. And a lot of people love it. It's also, you become part of that tribe. Now, most of these, in fact, all the ones that I refer, also have other products that they sell on. Like they either sell a big ticket item, or they will be constantly coming out with new sort of standalone trainings. Like they'll have their members create a really good training on something and sell it for a couple $100, and those are great sort of things that you get paid. One thing though, when you're looking at a subscription-based training program, you want to make sure that you get paid from beginning to end. Some programs you get paid on the front end, but then the person you referred actually becomes more of a buyer of the program owner. So there's some companies where you get paid the one time, but you're not going to, maybe you might get paid on the subscription, but anything else inside you don't get paid for, especially if they're suggesting software as a service supplements to their program. For example, one of the programs that I'm in, they recommend using Clickfunnels. Well, a good program would you would be able to put your ClickFunnel affiliate link in there. A bad program is they wouldn't give you a spot to put your ClickFunnels affiliate program. Do you understand? So the first one, you would get paid not only on the recurring, right, and you'd get paid on the ClickFunnels subscription, or you would get paid on the recurring, but you wouldn't get paid on the ClickFunnels subscription because the owner of the program gets that, right? So those are the two differences so you really want to watch for in a program. And it's a question to ask when someone's asking you to join a program. Say, well, are there any congruent businesses involved with it? Is it one single thing? Do I get paid on all purchases? If I bring in a client or if I bring in someone and they buy something down the road, do I still get a commission for that? All these kind of things. So those are the 3 best ways to make money online. And this is to make recurring money online in 2020. If you have any questions at all, make sure you put a comment below. Watch this video next. This is a hybrid company that has all those sort of subscription tools in one. Plus, it's a high ticket item program as well. So it's kind of like an all-in-one, which is a great program to sell, and it's very inexpensive because when you add up the cost of a landing page, a website building, hosting, video hosting, a conference room, all these things is way more than the cost they charge for it, and it pays 100% commission. So you definitely want to check it out. That's the video that actually it'll be the video that says watch next. So you can watch that next. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you. But check out all my links below. Definitely, all these programs have like starter, tester kind of things. So and then for a couple of bucks, you can get in and take a look at the program and kind of test drive them. I highly recommend you doing it. Spend some time, look at the training they provide. Look at what they provide you to become an affiliate for them, all these kind of things. And this is how you're going to start your recurring passive income online. And after that, it's just add traffic. All right, guys, cheers. Bye.